Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I have a big news for SafeMoon holders if you are holding SafeMoon. So let's get started. If you want to make money with cryptocurrency, so make sure to click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload any video, because every day we are uploading a useful video about crypto mining, cryptocurrency, crypto trading and much more. As I told you in this video, I have a big news for SafeMoon holders. If you are holding SafeMoon on your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, then this video is for you, because I have a massive news for SafeMoon holders where the price of SafeMoon can go to the moon. So firstly we will check SafeMoon Twitter. Here SafeMoon has 980,000 followers. This is near to Dogecoin followers. Dogecoin has 1.9 million followers, but SafeMoon has 980,000 followers. Then we scroll down. Here we can see the first tweet of SafeMoon, that how to acquire SafeMoon in 60 seconds. Because the big news and the massive news is that SafeMoon wallet is coming soon for Android and iOS operating system. If you are Android user, if you are using iPhone, then SafeMoon wallet is coming soon on 7th August 2021. As I told you, SafeMoon wallet should be released on 31 July, but for now the SafeMoon wallet will be released, will be launched on 7th August 2021. So here this video will guide you how you can connect your SafeMoon wallet with MetaMask, with Trust wallet. Then for sure you can check this video. If we scroll down, I will give a complete guide about SafeMoon wallet, about SafeMoon big news for SafeMoon holder. Here we scroll down. Yesterday SafeMoon just tweeted, it's not any wallet, it's only SafeMoon wallet. SafeMoon wallet has a highly secure security, the best theme design, and here you can buy and sell SafeMoon coin, even other coin like altcoin, bitcoins, ethereum. And then for sure you can transfer, even you can receive coin using your SafeMoon wallet. You just only need to connect your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. For now we don't know what features this SafeMoon wallet has, what we can say on SafeMoon wallet, because SafeMoon wallet is not available yet. On 7th August 2021, SafeMoon wallet is going to be launched. Only 10,000 testers can use SafeMoon wallet on their Android phone. This news just confused me, because why only 10,000 users can test SafeMoon wallet on Android phone? Is SafeMoon wallet is not developed yet? Is SafeMoon wallet has problem? Is SafeMoon wallet has bugs with this beta version? Because SafeMoon has 4 million holders, so why only 10,000 users can use SafeMoon wallet? Here you can check the tweet of SafeMoon. The 7th of August, we welcome 10,000 Android users to the open beta of the SafeMoon wallet. If you will do late, then you cannot use SafeMoon wallet, you cannot sign up, you cannot sign in on SafeMoon wallet on your Android phone, because SafeMoon has lots of holders. Then for sure there will be lots of rush, everyone trying to install SafeMoon wallet on their Android phone. So I don't think everyone can access to the SafeMoon wallet. We need to wait for further update of the SafeMoon wallet. Then we scroll down. Here we have a tweet that what open beta will you be signing up to SafeMoon wallet? Will you use your Android phone or you will use your iOS operating system? 56% users just give vote for iOS operating system. They are saying that we will use our Apple operating system to use SafeMoon wallet, and 44% users say that we will use our Android phone to use SafeMoon wallet. Then here you can see on 26th July SafeMoon just tweeted, big news for SafeMoon holder, it's official, the SafeMoon Android open beta launches on 7th August 2021. Only 10,000 will be given access. Who wants in SafeMoon wallet? If we check the picture, here you can see this is similar like CoinMarketCap. In CoinMarketCap you can check all the coin current price, market cap, 24-hour volume, beside the top gainers and losers. The same thing, the same feature you will find on SafeMoon wallet. Here you can find the price of bitcoins, the price of Ethereum, the price of altcoin. Beside that you can find top gainers and losers cryptocurrency coin in the 24-hour volume. And then you can send your coin from SafeMoon wallet to any other exchange or any other wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then you can receive any cryptocurrency coin from other exchange, from other wallet to your SafeMoon wallet. And you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Even you can buy and sell SafeMoon on its own SafeMoon wallet. So for now, we are not sure what features, what unique features this SafeMoon wallet has, because SafeMoon wallet is not available yet. We will check on 7th August 2021 what features SafeMoon wallet has. I hope we might stake our SafeMoon coin on SafeMoon wallet in order to get profit, like we are holding our coins on PancakeSwap, on Binance or any other exchange website. Okay, on 8th August, as I told you, on 7th August, only for Android phone SafeMoon wallet is available. But SafeMoon wallet for iOS Apple operating system, the date's coming soon. I think SafeMoon wallet for iOS operating system will be launched on 8th August 2021. If we check this video, let me show you. I think in this video we just checked that SafeMoon wallet for iOS operating system will be launched on 8th August. So if you are using iOS operating system, so you can find SafeMoon wallet on App Store on 8th August 2021. But one thing else I want to share with you, why the SafeMoon price is not increases. In 24 hours, we can only see 1% increases on the SafeMoon price. And here you can see the ranking of SafeMoon is 209 and the total watch list is 1,569,000. But we cannot see the SafeMoon price to the moon. We cannot see SafeMoon on the big exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase. Only here, if we check the market, you can find SafeMoon on Get.io, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, then Bitmort, Who, Hotbit, Bitforex, Mexico. In this, we can see SafeMoon on low level of exchange website. They are not low level, but they are not like Binance, Coinbase. So the team of SafeMoon should work on the price of SafeMoon. They should work. They should try to launch or list SafeMoon on a big exchange like Binance, Coinbase in order to see the price of SafeMoon to the moon. So I hope you just get this video, and this is the big news for SafeMoon holder that SafeMoon wallet is coming soon. Make sure to be updated. Follow the Twitter of SafeMoon and hit the bell icon to get notification while they are posting any news, any update about the SafeMoon. And don't hesitate to share your idea about SafeMoon wallet, what we will see the SafeMoon price or what we're gonna see on the SafeMoon wallet. Make sure to share your idea on the comment section. Like this we will be motivated, we will get appreciation. Then make sure to click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload any video. So this video is just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.